Let us see problem based on bending stresses or a flexural formula or a bending equation. Find the bending stress induced in the steel flat 40 mm wide and 5 mm thick if it is required to bend into an arc of a circle of radius 2.5 meter. Also calculate the moment required to bend the flat. Take E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 meter megapascal. So given, first write down given, it is given, find the bending stress induced in the steel flat 40 mm wide and 5 mm thick. So one of the steel flat is there, steel flat. So this is the steel flat of, so this is the width of steel flat is 40 mm, this is 40 mm, and thickness is, thickness T is equal to 5 mm. We have to bend this steel flat into radius. So we have to bend the steel flat in the radius. It is R is equal to 2.5 meter. So this radius into arc of a circle of radius 2.5 meter. So this is the radius of curvature 2.5 meter. So R is given 2.5 meter, that is equal to 2500 mm. Then B is given width 40 mm. T thickness is given, that is D. T is 5 mm. Now E is given, capital E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 megapascal, that is Newton per mm square is given. Now we have to find, we have to find two things we have to find. First is find the bending stress induced, that is sigma B, and the second one is moment required, calculate the moment required to bend the flat, that is M we have to find. Now which formula we have to use here? So formula, we know the bending equation or flexural formula, MRR divided by I is equal to M divided by I is equal to sigma B divided by Y is equal to E divided by R. So MRR means moment of resistance, I is the moment of inertia of this flat, M is a maximum bending moment which is at the center of this beam, I is the moment of inertia of this section, sigma B is the bending stress induced in this flat, and Y is the distance of extreme fiber or top fiber from the neutral axis. So if this is, I am enlarging this cross section, then this is seen like this. So this is the thickness which is 5 mm, and this is the width which is 40 mm, and this is the neutral axis. So y is this distance, that is 2.5 mm. Y is the distance of extreme fiber from neutral axis. Now E is the modulus of elasticity which is given, and R is the radius of curvature of that bent beam which is 2.5 meter, that is 2500 mm. Now you know the formula. So first find out sigma B. So for that we know the value of E and R. So using this relation we can easily find out sigma B. Then using this relation we can find out M moment. So solution, let us see solution. Let us see how to solve. So first take this relation. So sigma B divided by Y is equal to E divided by R. First we have to find sigma B. So sigma B divided by Y is equal to E divided by R. Now first Y we know 2.5. So sigma B is equal to E divided by R into Y. So sigma B is equal to E is given 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by R is given 2500 into Y we know 2.5. So sigma B is equal to sigma B, the value of sigma B becomes 200 megapascal, that is 200 Newton per mm square, that is 200 megapascal. Now second is you have to find moment. So take this relation or you can calculate by using this relation also. So I am going to calculate by using this relation. So m divided by I is equal to E divided by R. So m is equal to E divided by R into I. Now E is known, R is known. You have to find I, only you have to find I. So I is equal to, for this section, this is rectangular section, so BT cube divided by 12. So B is now 40 into 5 cube divided by 12. B is 40, T is 5, so cube divided by 12. So I is equal to 416.667 mm raised to 4. Now m is equal to E we know 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by R we know 2500 into 416.667. So m becomes 33.33 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. Now for Newton meter, divide this answer by 1000. So m is equal to 33.33 Newton meter. This is our required answer.